Crude oil continued to trade with the bullish momentum with which it has started this week. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned that we are looking forward to a move above 71.3, 71.6. What has happened? It has achieved 71.6 and it has also moved towards the greater resistance zone in between 71.6 and 72. While natural gas is also recovered after hitting the lows at 2.62. So, now what to expect? With the US session from crude oil and net gas, can we expect this momentum to continue? Can we expect oil to break beyond 72, 72 and natural gas beyond 2.76, 2.8 zone? Or there is a possibility of a reversal and a drop. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading oil and gas today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis on multiple time frames with logical reasoning for you to take a trade at a particular price point and trade profitably. Thus subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, oil followed with gas. Now, see, oil on the hourly charts has given a gap up today after staying bearish, and now it is trading bullish in this channel here. Where are the highs towards? The highs are towards 72. That will also fill the gap which it is shown towards the beginning of the week last week, and thus filling the gap is where we can see how it behaves. Right now I can see it has formed the next base here at 70.5 and it is staying bullish. First bullish candle we can expect in fact for it to break out here. So if you see it is staying above 71.6, expect a move towards 71.8, 72, very critical zone. Beyond this 72.4 should be there. Moving average is bullish. Stochastic is overbought here. The MACD is also divergent and bullish. The RSI is flat. And on the 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour charts you can find out preceding candle comes with a tail and it is trying to bounce back, trying to rise. Once it breaks out here on the upside, higher lows are there, higher highs can be expected, which means a move towards 72 can be expected. But also notice that the preceding candle comes with moderate body size, smaller body size compared to the preceding one. Thus I will say that you have to wait for it to stay above 71.6 and then wait for it to break beyond 71.8, 72 zone. If these two levels are taken, then you can consider it to be turning bullish. Also look at this, the support levels here now are created at 70.5, 70.4 levels. These are going to remain the greatest support for oil on the downside. Moving average is looking upwards, stochastic overbought. MACD again has crossed over and it is trading with moderate bullishness. RSI at top. On the 3 hour charts, see on the 3 hour charts, after delivering 3 straight bullish candle, it is showing now signs of retracement. Now if you connect the dots here, oil is trading in this channel. It is a bullish channel here, hitting the highs. Now see, divide this into two. What has happened? It can replicate this. There is a possibility of a retreat. Thus one thing is clear, that the buying entry is only above 71.6. While if you notice 70.4, 70.6 is going to remain a very good support zone, and bearishness and sell entry is only below this. But these are little far below levels, and even if you see it is staying below 70.8, take a selling entry, but this is going to be riskier as long as 70.4 and 70 levels are not taken. Be mindful of this. If you look at a stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD is also rising. The RSI is flat at top. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation. Divide this into two. The moving average is crossing over here. Very good sign for the bulls. Remember also there is a gap to be filled here at 69, because see today it is given a gap up here. Now 69 is the support which it needs to break in order to turn bearish here. The slope is changing. Possibility of a little retracement cannot be denied. The stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI to the top, and on the daily. Now see on the daily charts, after a bit of consolidation, it is giving a breakout. It is given a flat bottom. It is trying to break out here. Now possibility for it to fill the gap is what I am looking at. If not today, then tomorrow this gap might remain filled or might get filled. Right now also notice that it has breached this bearish channel in which it was trading. It has given a breakout here. Thus the possibility of further rise increases here. But on the upside, we have to wait for it to break past the critical resistance. Then only you should treat this as bullish. Stochastic to the top, MACD has crossed over here, which is also a good sign for the bulls, and the RSI is also rising. So signs are supportive of bulls, but I can say that we have to wait for it to break beyond 72, 72.6, which is going to remain a greater resistance zone. Now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. Before that, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Now, those who are looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So considering this, now first thing is where to buy 71.6. When you see the lower price above 71.6, initiate the buying entry. Be careful till towards 71.8 and 72. Once it breaks 72, chances will be high that we may see oil at 72.4, and once it breaks 72.4, stay bullish for 73.5, 74 zone very very soon, and then 74.5, 75 levels. There is a gap which needs to be filled here as well. On the downside, now today I do not see trading below 70.4. Chances are very very less that it is going to break this zone, and thus only selling entry should be below 70.4, 70.5 zone. However, it is a far below zone. You can sell here at 70.8. If you see oil below 70.8, take a sell. Expect 70.6, 70.4, and if it breaks 70.4, you can expect 70, and below that you are looking forward to a greater correction towards 69.5, 69.2, and 69 zone. Filling the gap, it can bounce back up again. Thus, take your trades accordingly. Let's move to now. See what natural gas did today is it has delivered a gap down, and now it has filled the gap. Filling the gap, it is again trying to trade bearish, but where it will turn bearish, only below 2.66 zone. If you see it trading below 2.66, we can take a sell again. Till 2.66, we should not be treating this as bearish. Also notice what is happening: lower highs, lower lows, trying to stay in this. Right now it appears that it has reversed and trying to trade bearish. However, the confirmation is only below 2.66, 2.65 zone. Stochastic has dropped, MACD retracing, rising. RSI is also now looking downwards. On the two, look at the 2 hour chart. See, as long as it stays about 2.66, 2.65 zone, I will recommend you to stay alert. Also notice what is happening. Also, if you notice here, see, I have mentioned earlier in the day that there is always a move by natural gas towards 20 period moving average before it starts to take a trend, and that is what has happened. It has moved towards 20 period and trying to reverse. Now it is important to note, if it breaks beyond 2.72 and 2.76 zone, that will be the confirmation of reversal. So any move about 2.76 is the sign of reversal here. Stochastic has, look at the MACD. This is stayed bearish. It has crossed over, and it appears that there has to be little reversal. RSI is also come out of the oversold zone. Now on the 3 hour, the observation is more or less same. Higher highs. Look at this candle. A reversal, massive reversal is seen, and it is continued here on the downside. Now it is very important for gas to trade below 2.66. That will confirm further down move. But see what we had seen on the 2 hour charts here. Also the 20 period moving average right now on the 2 hour charts is sitting at 2.74, and this zone between 2.74 and 76 is very critical for gas to break past by. So any move beyond this, certainly we can expect 2.8, 2.85, and 2.9 zone. Stochastic rising. MACD is on the verge of a crossover after a strong bearishness. This crossover can lead to further reversal, or this will confirm further reversal here. This crossover will initiate or will signal buyers to enter here. RSI just coming out of the oversold zone, and on the 4 hour charts, I will not treat this as bearish, as I said, as long as 2.66, 2.65 zone is not taken. Stochastic rising. MACD is also stayed bearish. I will wait for it to converge, crossover, and reverse. Right now it is still bearish. RSI is staying oversold. And on the daily, now look at the daily chart. See what it did. It has given a massive gap down here. Also it has formed a double bottom. So now one thing is clear, that 2.6 to 2.6 is the only zone below which we can say now natural gas for the week is turning bearish. As long as it stays above 2.6 to 2.6 zone, we can not confirm that it is turning bearish. Now see, drop, retracement, drop, double bottom, and if it starts to recover, trades about 2.93, you can confirm that double top has to be there, and beyond this it will in fact achieve higher highs. So you have to watch out how it behaves, and that is why I say 2.6 to 2.6 zone, as long as it respects, do not treat this as bearish. stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI flat. Looking at this, first thing is where to buy. I will recommend you to buy now at 2.7. Expect 2.72, 2.74, 2.76. Once it trades about 2.76, bulls will be back here and we can look forward to 2.8, 2.85, 2.9 zone very, very soon. While on the downside, a selling entry now is applicable towards 2.66 levels. If you see it is staying below 2.66, we can expect it to move towards 2.64, 2.62. And if it breaks below 2.6 to 2.6 zone, you can say that a crash is about to begin here in natural gas. And remember, I have shared several times in my weekly review, in my daily review as well, that till 2.48, 2.5, I will not be staying bearish in natural gas. Till 2.48, 2.5, the chances of recovery is very high here. And thus, for the near term, on the weekly basis, you have to be careful till 2.48, 2.4, 2.5 levels. It can recover again from these levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not miss to watch the next update tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. The subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.